Hello, friends. Welcome back. It's Angela, the Traveling Crafter, and I am excited to be able to share with you a collaboration with the Journal Junk Box. And they reached out and said, hey, would you like to partner with us and showcase some of our goodies in exchange for providing a discount to all of you, my friends? So you can go to thejournaljunkbox.com and you can get, I think the boxes are for a 12-month subscription. It's like $44, but you can get 15% off of your purchase, and I will put all of that in the link. But let's go ahead and see what's inside. One of the cool things about their mission statement is that they are my goodness, working to inspire women and children in self-care. So I thought this was pretty appropriate considering I just got done doing the Happy Planner art, meditation, and planner journal for Demi. So here is their information, and here's where you can follow them. And again, it's the journaljunkbox.com, and you can follow them on Insta and Facebook as well. And there you go. All of the info. This says, I choose to embrace positivity and gratitude, allowing my inner light to shine brightly. That's cute. And then here are some prompts. Week 1, write about a book that has deeply inspired you and why. Excuse me. Describe your perfect reading nook and how it makes you feel. Reflect on a favorite character from a book and the qualities you admire in them. And week 4, imagine you're writing a letter to your favorite author. What would you say? So here's what's in the box for this month. This is August box. A hardcover journal. Oh my goodness. Vintage rose pen scent. Oh, I don't know if I want to show. I'll just keep this over here because then I won't be surprised. The box is lovely. I have a feeling, friends, this is probably not going to stay in my craft room. That I have a daughter who is enjoying her planner with joyful abandon. She's probably going to confiscate some of these things. Let me shut this up. And let's go ahead and get started. So here are some pens. Oh, those are cute. Oops. Very cute. Let's see what you're all about here. Let's grab a scratch piece of paper. Try these out. Those are nice little muted. Ooh. Oh, I thought it was pink. It's just got a cap on it. There we go. Ooh, that writes nice. Very nice. Let's try this one. Oops. You gotta take off that little rubber cap. These are really pretty. Very elegante. And thank you, Journal Junk Box, for reaching out to me. Yeah, those are nice. These have little roses on them. Super cute, and I love the... Oh, that clip is fantastic. Nice. All right, so we got 2 of those. Hey, Journal Babe. Cute. Let's see what we got. Ooh, nicely packaged. Ooh, a tassel. Hang on. What is this? A bag? This is a good little thrifting bag. A new day filled with gratitude. That is cute. It also would be cute just to carry your planner in as well. Super cute. There's an adorable bookmark. Where flowers bloom, so does hope. Cute. I don't know what that is. Bookish Tales. These are adhesive ephemera. Look at the poppies on there. Let's see what's inside. Oh my gosh, I see something else I like in here that's super cute. We may have to try to replicate this next thing I'm going to show you. Oops, that got stuck on there. Let's just pull out a few of these. I won't pull them all out. But there's a bibliophile, bookworm. Cute. I love these colors. Book corners. This one got stuck on there. That's the one I ripped off. I apologize. My allergies have really been bothering me. And, you know, we're getting close to harvest time in Iowa. Well, next month, really. Those are cute. So it's only going to get worse. These are really cute. I don't know that Demi would use these, but I will. Laugh often, love much. Those are cute. So many books, so little time. Isn't that the truth? The best way to predict the future is to create it. Oh, that's cute. We're going to have to use some of these here shortly. Maybe we can do some ephemera. Cute. Some of them got a little stuck together. A little bit. All right, I won't put those back. I'll do that later. Now, what's this? I think these are pens of some, maybe markers. Ooh. Yes. Oh, those are pretty little muted, almost like muted highlighters. Oh, I love those. Those would be great for my little calendar. Yeah, and I love that they're well, kind of rectangle-y. Oh, these are great. I love me a good highlighter, especially with these pastel colors. I mean, you could use them as just markers too, but so you could highlight easily. Fantastic. Love them. All right, this we might have to replicate, I think. We can do that. This looks like it's a card. Yeah, it's blank inside, but it says there's always time for a book and a cup of tea. And this is some chocolate mix. But I like this little layout. A little tuck pocket. We're going to try that. Here are some literary gems. This is, I like the, oh, that's what they are. Let's see. Can you see them okay? Here. Here you go. And then this one, more stickers. But these are the more like the PT pet stickers, however you want to say it. There's what that one looks like. And then look at that. It's cute. Yes, ma'am. We're going to be using those. A big notepad. This will be, oh, look at, can you see? It's got like the books and the flowers in the background too. This is great. This is nice to have right here next to my desk. And then look at this. Super cute. A little journal. You know what I may do with this? This may go in with, I might pop this in as part of the giveaway that is coming up. I am going on a trip, and on my community tab, so go to my Traveling Crafter page, go to community, there's the word community, and you click on it, and there, you might have to scroll a little bit, but there should be put your vote in as to where I'm going, and the person who guesses it or maybe gets closest to it, I don't know how it's going to pan out, actually is going to win a wonderful little prize from that location. So maybe we'll incorporate some of this in there. But thank you again, Journal Junk Box, for reaching out and for all of these lovely, fun things for us to play with. And I appreciate you very much. Again, if you would like to get 15% off your first box, follow the information in the description. And you can also follow them on Instagram, Facebook, and their email, or I'm sorry, their website is journaljunkbox.com. Thank you so much. And friends, until next time, remember to take time to just be. We're going to see you soon. Bye-bye.